My hair needs some serious styling, so let's take some Hot Tool products and test them out. Two really neat products by them. I've got their Pro Artist Straight Heat. It's a heat activated straightening serum. And then I've got their Pro Artist Heat Liqueur Seal. So it's a thermal activated high shine spray. So one's gonna be more of a serum, one's gonna be a spray. Serum's supposed to protect your hair up to about 455 degrees. It's got some kind of mushroom complex in it. It's what's kind of protecting your hair, kind of interesting. Smell is a little bit sweet, I would say. But it kind of smooths it out right away. Okay, a little bit of the shine spray. Super fun part is the tool itself. So it's a curling and straightener in one. I feel like this will be super good for traveling. Plugged it in. There's the power button just underneath here. You can see it kind of lights up. Very cool. I'm really interested to see the smoothing effect, but also the curls that we get. It's already kind of getting a little bit of heat, and it does come with a little glove as well, so you can protect your fingers depending on how you're using it. So to adjust the heat, you just want to give it a twist. I don't want it too hot, but a little bit hotter than what it was at. 1¼ inch curling iron. Ooh, must be ready. Look at how long it is. So great if you have longer hair to get more curling throughout it. So we're starting out with the day 2 hair. I had worked out the morning of, so it definitely had a little bit of sweat in it, which honestly, I feel like my hair styles better when it's a little bit dirty. What's great about the heat activating serum, one is that obviously it starts working as soon as it feels the heat on it. It allows the style to last up to 3 washes. So once you've put this in, your hair is protected for quite some time, depending how often you wash your hair. So in areas of my hair that had more kind of flyaways and needed smoothing, I would take the straightener to kind of smooth those down. And then I kind of played around with the curling iron, being able to use it like a wand, or if you're familiar with doing flat iron curls, you can also do flat iron curls with it. I personally did a combination of both of those. It was giving me this really beachy style waves. I'm loving the effect of the high shine spray as well. I feel like it really brightened the blonde in my hair and gives it a really nice glow. I absolutely love this. It's gonna be so good for traveling. You can do a rod curl, you can do more of like a straightener curl, you can just straighten your hair. Good for like smoothing, and like, I love it. Like 1¼ apparently I should be doing that size more often too. This heat up really quick, and it was like very even for the curl heat itself. Like I feel like throughout it, it wasn't like too cool on one end. Come out guys, bye.